cost a mere 7 9/9, a cheap price for the life of a child. "22 competitors entered for the Lockheed International Aerobatic Trophy in Northamptonshire, and appearing for the first time in a father and daughter team, Madeleine Delcroix from France. In the Czechoslovakian team, Eva Kaprazova, who recently became a mother. Bob Winter, one of the British team in the World Championships last year, flying a Stamper biplane. Winner of the trophy in 1963, one of the Czech team, Jaromír Hulka. Each competitor has to give a 5-minute display. Judging points include accuracy, originality, and artistry. Here's Bob Winter again in his Stamper. Britain did better than ever before. 2 of Bill's teammates took 2nd and 4th position. Now let's have a look at another of the Czech team, Ladislav Bezák, flying one of the popular Zlin monoplanes. Pilots of his class and experience seem able to defy almost every law of gravity, aeronautics, and even survival. Bezák was to finish 3rd. Winner was Stoklasa of Czechoslovakia, also flying a Zlin.